helo eto, rwan, os fuoch chi'n gwylio'r gyfres, if you watched the series, fyddwch chi'n gwybod bod yn celebs ni yn licio hwyl, they game for a laugh yn dydyn.
Ond dwi'n meddwl oedd Bob ar ôl dy swydd di hefyd.
Ti'n iawn.
Mae'r haul yn brysur ddiflannu o'r ffurfafen, cyfle i Bob i sireni fel cyflwynydd cawslyd.
Wel, coes i fforest ar y siarad nawr ar y stai, no? Gareth? Beth yw yr orange carrot? Orange moron? Beth yw? Da iawn, ie?
It's the only sentence in the world without a verb.
Correct. Da iawn. Enjoyo? Ar y stair at the forest?
Enjoyo?
Ydych chi, mae hi'n lefyn Nhadau. Beth yw enjoyo a camp fire?
Wel, mae'n smygu.
Smygu?
Ie.
Ai.
Diolch.
Da iawn, improve lot.
Mae hi'n
Balsamic.
Ballsy? Not balls.
Ballsy. Here she goes. Did you enjoy the sheep? Enjoy your David. Did you enjoy David?
Dwi'n mwynhau iawn, David.
Yeah, da iawn. He was bald, wasn't he?
He was bald.
Da
It
iawn.
was all my doing.
Yeah. There's a song in that. Love Cariad. Da iawn I chi di gyd. Wel, da iawn ar noswaith fori a see you tomorrow. How it died, okay?
Da iawn, Bob. Ei, mae'n neud gwell job na fi.
Wel, sôn am hwyl, oedd rhai pobl yn cael llawer iawn o hwyl wrth godi yn y bore.
Plant drwg.
Pwy sy'n mynd i ddeffro'r byd? Mae'r dydd ar led yn barod. Dim sôn am glwc, na mw na me. Mae'r cread mewn bydandod.
Bore da. It's very early. Now, amser dia. Time for revenge.
Alex ddrwg a dwcoth gloch, a'i fryd sydd ar ddialedd. I dalu'n ôl am gamwedd wyn, mae'r ddau mor ddrwg a'i gilydd. Mae un yn fain yn hoff wrth gloch, a'r hwnnw mae di ffoli. A'r llall yn fawr a llais fel cawr, fel stan, a'r llall fel oli. Dyna ni, y chwarae di troi'n chwerw, y joc di troi'n sych, y maldod a malodd y gloch sy'n ddiglich.
Mae glwch wedi torri. Wedi torri? Broken. Mae'n glin dy fi.
What's that, Lucy? Oh, bore da. I was more hapus. Ti wedi torri the thingy. Now you got that instead.
Oh, mae bachgen ddrwg.
Ac un floedd fuddugoliaethus ar itgorn uffern, e ffwrdd ag i greu mwy o hafoc fentrau. Ond ist, sŵn cras yw sŵn yr atl croch, ond sŵn buddugoliaeth hefyd. Wff, dydd gloch, mae hwn yn well i godi gwir o'i cwrlid. Dim lwc gris bach, na hidia, tria to. Rac a rac a rac a rac, yn garantid o'i gwneud nhw'n grac, a chrac a chrac a chrac, fel rygar ig yn rhegi.
What was that noise? What is it? It's not even hanner awr di saith. For goodness sake. Mae pen tost y fi nawr.
Mae Elfie di bod yn breuddwydio am foron.
Oh, my word. Was it a dream? Was it all a dream? Was the carrot all a dream? Oh, man. Like there is no verb in it. Orange sliced carrot. There's nothing in there. I don't even know what anything means anymore.
Fe ddaw y sŵn fel ton di baid, fel dwndwr peiriad golchi, i godi'r criw i fwrw llwyth, gyn golchi a chael brecu.
O, maen nhw'n ddoniol. Wel, yn ôl â ni i'r stafell ddosbarth ac am ffordd i ddechrau'r diwrnod, what a way to start the day.
Hen wlad fy Nhadau, yr anthem genedlaethol.
Gwlad fy Nhadau, yn annwyl i mi, gwlad byddach yn torion, enwogion o fri. Ein gŵr o'r ryfelwyr, gwlad garwyr tramad, dros ryddid goll a sant, ein gwaith. Gwlad, gwlad, blaid John oer i'n gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r brif o ffai, o bared i'r ein iaith barhau.
Unwaith eto.
Gwlad, gwlad, blaid John oer i'n gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r brif o ffai, o bared i'r ein iaith barhau.
You don't need me, there's only teachers. Shut me off. Gwely. Oh, good way to the start the day. Oh, yes. Da iawn.
We play touch rugby now.
A fi hefyd.
She's rubbish at touch.
We haven't played that yet, have we?
We've got to do that.
Dim ond yn y corridors, really. Nath o wneud super fel flying tackle. Yeah.
Sgwelwch yn dda.
Chwarae rugby nawr.
Right, just checkio. Dych chi'n gwybod ystyr? Do you know what you're singing about?
No.
Tipyn bach. Tipyn bach. OK, nawn ni fynd trwy ddim yn sydyn iawn. So, mae hen wlad. Country. Fy Nhadau.
My father.
Da iawn. So, old land of my fathers yn annwyl i mi.
Dear.
Dear to me. Pan dych chi'n ysgrifennu llythyr, dych chi'n dweud Annwyl John. Ie, annwyl dy
Annwyl Uchol.
Yn union. So, mae hen wlad yn Nhadau'n annwyl i mi is dear to me. Oh, I'm all out of breath because I'm excited.
Croes iawn.
Father Onwards yn y bore, clywech chi'n canu, o'n i fel, my babies are singing all that. Mae yn the babies. Oedd e fel, Gwlad beirdd? Beth ydy beirdd?
Bad.
Bad, fel poets, ynde, beirdd. A chontorion. Enwogion, da iawn. So famous ydy enwog. Enwogion, famous is literally, famous people. Iawn, so plural. Ofri, of great honour.
Ofri is great honour.
Yeah, fel of, you know, of great kind of standing, stature.
Oh, that changes, because I always thought that it was the land of song and poetry famous to me.
To me,
As though it
no,
was like a
not
person.
me. No, yeah, ofri, yeah. Ein gwrol. Gwrol.
Strong.
Yeah, gwr is the word for husband or like a man.
So
Gwrol is fel very gwrol, masculine, alpha male.
I'm in the anthem. I'm in the anthem. Yeah.
It was
I'm in the anthem. 100 caps, put him in the anthem.
Ein gwrol ryfelwyr. Rhyfel. Rhyfel byd cyntaf. Ail rhyfel byd. Rhyfel byd. Beth ydy bydysawd? Bydysawd yw hwnnw, byd, world. So rhyfel byd? Rhyfel, war. So, ein gwrol Rhyfelwyr.
All right, like wall like.
Beth wnaeth Dewi Pws alwch chi neithiwr? What did Dewi Pws call you last night?
Warriors.
Lingo warriors. Rhyfelwyr dros yr iaith. Yeah, Rhyfelwyr warriors. So our
manly warriors.
Warriors. Our beefy warriors, yeah. Oh, I like one of them.
I like a manly warrior.
Would like to meet manly warrior. Manly Welsh warrior.
Dafydd.
Dafydd. Gwlad garwyr. Beth ydi gwlad garwyr?
Glad is a country.
Gwlad is country. Beth ydi caru?
Love.
Carwyr lovers, iawn. So country lovers, patriots. Gwlad garwyr. Country lovers. Well, nice, really. Tramad. While we're alive, as long as we live, we'll be country lovers, patriots, iawn. Dros ryddid.
Rhif.
Release.
Iawn, na, tebyg iawn. Mae'n dod o'r un kind of the same stem, but freedom. So to release is freedom.
Yeah.
Well done,
Over, is that
Brilliant. Word association mewn ffantastig.
Dros
ryddid, yeah. Literally, for freedom, over freedom, you know, over the pledge of freedom. Colli, to lose. Colli, da iawn. Collasans, they lost a gwaed. Gwaed? Blood. Da iawn.
Wow, dau.
Dau botcher.
Ei, gwaed. Mae dau botcher ar dan bore yma. On fire bore yma. Right, felly, so, O land of my fathers is dear to me, land of poets and singers, famous people of great stature. Our beefy warriors. Patriots, as long as we're alive, as long as we're alive, until we die. Over freedom, for freedom, they lost their blood. Wedyn? It's amazing, isn't it? Blood, so good. Pleidiol. I pledged, I pledge myself to my country. Listen, gwrandewch ar hwn. Tra môr yn fyr i'r byr hoff bai. Mae'n neis yn dydi? Tra môr yn fyr i'r byr hoff bai. So, môr. Leidr. Sea. While the sea is at myr, fel wal. Da iawn. There's a wall. I'r byr, pyr. Calon. Pure, da iawn. Hoff bai. Bai is like an old Welsh word for like a place or a country. Yeah, like a place. So while the sea is a wall for our, you know, kind of protects mewn ffordd, because it surrounds us, to our favourite pure country. O bydded, oh, this is what makes me cry. O bydded i'r hen iaith.
Old language.
O bydded, let the old language parhau, live on. Through us. Pwerus ac emosiynol. Ac os oedd rhywun yn gymwys, if anybody was allowed to arwain y canu, Alfie ydi hwnna ar ôl ennill dros 100 cap I Gymru yn chwarae rygbi.
Wel, beth bynnag, mae hi'n amser egwyl rwan, felly, Nia, ffansio paned?
Neis iawn.